I'm going to show you 3 easy ways on how to make face paint at home, but one of these popular ways may be harmful to you. To start, you will need face lotion, cornstarch, and some water. Put it all into a bowl and mix it up until you get a smooth, thick cream. This will be the base of the face paint recipe before we add more stuff in. Once the base is mixed, separate the face paint stuff into 3 containers. You can find everything used down in the description below. Let's shift our focus to one of the containers of paint. For this one, we are going to add some eyeshadow into the face paint to give it color. Mix it up and make sure there are no big chunks in the mix. Now, add some Vaseline for a more glossy look. Now, to the second face paint mix, we are going to add acrylic paint into the pot. However, there are a couple of things to address with this. Some acrylic paints may contain toxic materials like everyone's favorite metal, lead, which is harmful if inhaled, ingested, or absorbed. I have seen people say this paint is safe, and some people who say it's not. Even websites who have published how they make face paint this way put a warning that this might not be safe. Yeah, so this one is up to you, but I'd stay clear from it. I'm just not up for irreversible damage. With that out of the way, we are taking mix number 3 and adding some cream SFX makeup into the bowl. If you do not have SFX makeup, lipstick or blush will work too. This is my preferred method when it comes to making face paint at home. So now you have a couple of different ways of making face paint at home. Let me know what way you use to make face paint. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you.